Oga Ole, well done, sir.
Hey, thank you, my boy.
As you and your boys have finished trashing Lampard and his boys now, what message do you have for Chelsea and their fans before you meet again for second leg?
Second leg? No now. I won't be playing second leg with them again this season.
Why now?
This Chelsea team that I used to train my boys for the real EPL matches cannot survive EPL until mid-season now. They will go relegation before December this year now. EPL officials will exchange them with another club in Division 2 because EPL is not for small boys and they are spoiling the prestige of EPL. Shame was even catching me for them and they pity themselves because we dash them ball possession and they no still fit do anything. And 2, if they no take time, UEFA no go gree them play Champions League where them qualify for last season.
Oga Lampard, how market? I beg, I get question for you.
See, don't come and be asking me any question. What I have here is not a football team. It is an academy boys team. And we came for excursion at Old Trafford.
So my Oga dem, una watch the Man U Chelsea game and una don't watch the interview. Oga Mourinho, make I start with you. What do you think say make Chelsea chop 4-0?
Is that one question again? Didn't you say that defense is silent inside Chelsea?
How?
Now, you see how S is silent inside the spelling of island, or T is silent inside the spelling of tsunami. That is how defense is silent inside Chelsea. It's not that the defense is not there, but it is silent.
Oga Shari, what do you get to talk about the match now?
My own be say, them never grind beans, moi don desme. Since they never even start, people wey dey claim title contenders don dey chop 4-0. Now wetin dey happen if you carry small children as players and you not put Wenger as coach? Instead, you go carry another small boy put as coach. Now wetin you go see be that na? Me sef, I know dey pity Chelsea o. Na the club where them go win for any match na him I go pity. Because in this life bar, it's not good for you to go and be carrying the work that you know you cannot do. Like this my brother Mourinho here now. He has seen that he cannot do coach work. That is why he went back to his match analyzing work.
See, sorry, I go come there come brush you.
Allow me make I talk now.
See, Kubala, I don't tell you say make you know they invite this guy come studio when I did.
Abeg shut up there make I talk. Now you get study wetin I talk be say, e go better make anybody wey Chelsea win, whether na player or na coach, to go change career.